What repairs should not be warrantied? Repairs caused by normal wear and tear, pre-existing damage, improper installation, or lack of maintenance should not be warrantied, because a warranty is meant to cover unexpected failures, not problems that were already there or that happen from everyday aging. Think of a warranty like a promise that says if something breaks because of a mistake in how it was built or installed, the company will fix it for free. But if your roof is leaking because it is 30 years old and just wore out, that is not really a surprise breakdown, that is just time doing its thing, so most warranties will not cover that. The same goes for something like a water heater that stops working because nobody ever flushed it or changed the filter, since skipping maintenance is different from a manufacturing flaw. Something a lot of homeowners do not realize is that even brand new parts can lose their warranty protection if they were installed incorrectly, because the manufacturer will say the failure was caused by human error, not a defect in their product. Another thing people miss is that damage from natural disasters like floods or hurricanes usually falls under home insurance instead of a repair warranty, so those are two completely different systems. One common mistake is assuming that just because something is under warranty, any type of damage is automatically covered, when really you need to read the fine print to see what specific parts or situations are included. A good tip is to always keep your receipts and maintenance records, because companies often deny warranty claims simply because there is no proof the item was properly cared for. Another big misconception is thinking that a repair guarantee from the contractor is the same as the manufacturer's warranty, but they are actually separate, so always ask exactly who is responsible if something goes wrong again. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.